Hey everyone, welcome to the Poolin Embroidery studio. Guess what we are embroidering today? That's right, I'm customizing a special New Year's embroidered hoodie for my friend. This hoodie is one kind of something you will definitely won't find in stores. Today I will keep you along as I created this surprise gift. For this project, we are keeping it simple with just the basics. First, we will need an embroidered hoop. I'm using the largest hoop for the Poolin EOC06, which is 7.9 by 11 inch. Next, I need some stabilizer. I'm going with a fusible stabilizer, which works great for large, soft fabrics like this. It will keep everything nice and smooth. I also printed out the PDF design file for this project. If you are new to embroidery or unsure about placement, you can cut out the printed design and use it as a guide to make sure everything's perfect aligned. Then I picked out all the threads I'll need for this design. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a design you love. The EOC06 embroidery machine comes with 156 built-in designs. But today, I downloaded a festival New Year's design from Richwood. It's perfect for the holiday vibes and just right for the hoodie. Let's make it happen. Now let's transfer the downloaded design to the machine using a USB. The EOC06 supports DST or DSP file formats, so it's super easy. Step 2. Choose the right embroidery hoop and adjust the embroidery position. It's time to set up the hoodie in the embroidery hoop and attach the hoop to the machine. Since we are using a fusible stabilizer for this project, start by cutting the stabilizer to the right size. Using an iron to bind it to the back of the hoodie to keep everything secure and smooth. Once that's done, attach the hoodie to the hoop, and then snap the hoop into the machine. Step 4. Position and start embroidering. Next, position the design exactly where you want it on the hoodie. Change the embroidery color for the first stitch, and then you are ready to start embroidering. You can watch as the pattern gradually takes shape, with all the colors coming together beautifully. And if you want, you can check the progress on the screen anytime. The embroidery is done. It looks amazing just like you pictured, right? Finally, peel off the stabilizer to make the hoodie more comfortable to wear. And that's it. In just 5 simple steps, we've created this festival surprise. What do you think? Does it look as amazing as you imagined? If you are inspired by this video, let's start planning for the next holiday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fun embroidery ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.